issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Williamson County, Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 10:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake of Egypt area, or near Marion, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Creel Springs, Lake of Egypt area, and Stone Fort. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois near mile marker 1. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 44 and 53. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Williamson, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Paducah.